Good noon, everyone. Welcome to our new lesson for music, week 7. Our topic for this week is just only lesson 1, which is the Philippine festivals. All right, let's begin. Philippines boasts over 1,000 of festivals and celebrations yearly in honor of our patron saints, mythology, epics, or history itself. It's been said that we've got even more festivals than our very own islands. Every year, thousands of tourists and locals alike flock and feast from city to another to witness the exuberant and colorful parades and street dances, along with pageants, contests, uniquely local food, and delicacies. Now, let's learn the different festivals in the Philippines. So in your module, I've indicated just only 6 Philippine festivals. So let's discuss those 6 festivals. Let's start with Ati-Atihan Festival. Held annually in the month of January in the town of Calibo. And also, Ati-Atihan is known to be as the mother of all festivals. Ati-Atihan Festival is filled with wild, rhythmic tribal dances and street party in honor of Santo Niño. And celebrants paint their faces with black suit and wear bright outlandish costumes as they dance in a revelry during the last 3 days of these 2-week-long festivals. Okay, next we have Kadayawan Festival every August in the city of Davao. So it is a celebration of life, thanksgiving for the gifts of nature, wealth of culture, bounties of harvest, and serenity of living. So its name derives from the friendly greeting Madayao from the Bawenyo word Dayao, meaning good, valuable, superior, or beautiful. Okay, next, Moriones Festival. It is a week-long celebration of the life and death of Jesus Christ that begins on Holy Monday and ends on Easter Sunday. So the Moriones are men and women in costumes and masks, replicating the garb of biblical Roman soldiers as interpreted by local folks. Morion means mask or visor, a part of the medieval Roman armor which covers the face. Okay, next we have the Sinulog Festival every 3rd Sunday of January. So it is a ritual prayer dance honoring Santo Niño or the Child Jesus, patron of the city of Cebu. And their participants wear bright colored costume dancing to the rhythm of drums, trumpets, and native gong. Okay, next, Ibalon Festival, every August in the province of Bicol. So the classic battles about heroes by wearing masks and costumes to imitate the appearances of the heroes. And they parade in the street with the accompaniments of marching or brass band. And lastly, we have the Sublian Festival every month of July. So this religion devotion translated to a dance from indigenous to Batangas, the Subli, traditionally performed to the accompaniment of drums and chanting. The Subli praises the patron in a combination of poetry, movement, and music. And their participants come in native attire and with ornamented Subli hats to symbolize Batangueño characteristic and costume. So those are the 6 festivals in the Philippines. So actually there are more festivals in the Philippines, but those we have discussed are the main and the common festivals in the Philippines. Okay, so that ends our discussion. So if you have questions and clarifications, you can message me directly on my Facebook account. Thank you for listening and good afternoon.